Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting video because as you can see, I am going to redo a piece of furniture and it is a hutch. I've been wanting one for the longest time. I've been stalking what it seems like every day Facebook Marketplace and I just haven't found the exact one that I like until today, actually last night. Late last night I found it and I was for sure that it was already sold, but she messaged me and said it's available, so I snagged it. I got it for a really good deal, and as you can see, she already started the process of redoing it. It used to be, I'll show you the before picture right here. It used to be a wood color that's just not really my style, so if you know me or have seen my previous videos, you know that I love the farmhouse style. So I have an inspiration pic right here. I'm going to show this is what I'm going for. Hopefully I can achieve it. I've never done anything of this size as far as like redoing anything before, so we'll see how this goes. I thought it'd be a fun chance to take you guys along with me and show you the before and after and the during, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump right in.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I withdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had.
Okay, you guys, it is the next day and I have it in the place where I think I want it. Ignore this paint up here. I took down what was here before and spackled it, and once it dries, which is almost dry, I just need to put a fresh coat of paint on it. But I love how this piece turned out and I'm actually pretty proud of myself. This is my first big DIY as far as furniture goes, so I'm really happy with the end result, and I thought it would be really fun to film me decorating it. So I'm going to give you obviously the before and then the after, and then I'll decorate it. So let me know how you guys like it. We went with these knobs. Let me see if you guys can see them. We went with these knobs everywhere because the original knobs, the lady previously that I bought it from had painted over them, and I just could not find any knobs that were similar to them, as well as something that was this space apart. I found a lot of knobs that I loved, but they were too wide, and I didn't want to make new holes. I didn't want to go that deep into this project, so maybe I'll do that in the future, but for right now, I like how these look. I think the black on the white is a really good contrast, and it really stands out. So yeah, let's get to decorating.
Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new. Less ignoring, still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be a never said less.